Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is more of a watch what I do / get ready with me. Not so much of a tutorial, but you'll still be able to see what I'm doing. So let's jump right in. So starting off with my hair, I made sure to straighten my center part, and I did put a little bit of leave out on the sides, which I will go ahead and curl later on. And I'm using Shine and Jam. I don't use gel. I don't like the feeling of gel. I don't like the flakiness, so I always use Shine and Jam to slick my hair back into a ponytail. And I'm using the same thing with my little edges brush to just give myself a little bit of swoop action with my baby hairs. And I'm just making sure not to get any of the jam on my leave out, because I will be using heat. Now, of course, ladies, you know, we want to go ahead and tie this down to keep everything in place and let these edges set. So you'll notice here that I'm actually straightening the leave out, but I went back in later on and curled it. So the ponytail that I'm using is Sensational Instant Pony in a color number 4, and I'm just putting my hair up into a bun. These ponytails are pretty straightforward. If you've never actually done a ponytail before, all you want to do is insert the clips into your bun. Use the drawstring to tighten the ponytail and wrap the cord around your ponytail. And all I did in the end was just take some of the hair from the back of the ponytail and wrapped it around in the same way that I wrapped the cord, just to cover the track. Basically, you don't want to see that ponytail bump or track or whatever you want to call it. So you just want to take some hair and just wrap it around just to cover that up and secure it with a bobby pin. I'm about to do my makeup, and I'm not doing nothing too fancy because I still don't know what I'm wearing. So I'm probably gonna do something very subtle and very basic. So I probably won't explain too much. Probably do a little voiceover. Whatever I do, y'all go see. And yeah, so let's get into the makeup. So starting off with my eyebrows, I don't remember the name of this pencil, but I got it at a local hair store. It's in the color dark brown. I don't use black. I always go for a dark brown. And to clean up the eyebrows, I am using the LA Pro concealer in the color, I believe this is maybe medium beige. And I usually only go in under the eyebrow. I don't usually do the concealer on top of the eyebrow, just because, I don't know, that's just my preference. I just feel like I mostly need it underneath. And you'll see that I actually put some on my eyelid as well, just to kill two birds with one stone. And I use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. Don't mind the inside. I dropped it and the black color broke, so it made a mess on the inside. But anyways, ignore that. And I'm going in with that top row middle color to just do my transition. And that's pretty much all I did for eyeshadow. I just went in with a transition. I did bring it down a little bit onto the eyelids as well. But like I said, we're going pretty basic, so that's about it. And I'm using the lashes Lotus. I don't know the style. I don't know where they came from. They were gifted. So yeah. Now for my foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 355. And guys, all the brushes I'm using are from Diva Classic. You can find her on Instagram. She is a makeup artist as well, and she sells her own makeup tools and lashes. So definitely go ahead and check her out. I will leave the website link below. But yeah, all my brushes are from her. And I really like these brushes, guys. I definitely recommend. So you just want to go ahead and blend this in. And I really like this foundation. It is very affordable and I like the results that I get as well. So now I'm going back in with the same concealer from earlier just to do my highlight. So to set my highlight, I am going in with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust in the shade or the color A. Now, again, I don't remember the name of the mascara that I'm using, but I did buy this at a local drugstore. I believe it's a L'Oreal, but I don't remember the specifics of it. So yeah. Now to brush away the setting powder and to set my entire face, I am going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the same shade 355. So just to add a little something more to the eyes, I'm going in with another Juvia's Place palette and I'm just adding a little gold shimmer into my tear duct. I also go ahead and use the same shade just to do a bit of a highlight on my nose, on the top or above the bridge of my nose. Not sure what you really call that area, but anyways, you saw where I put it. And just to do a little bit of highlight. And I realized I did my highlight before I did my blush, but whatever, we gonna roll with it. We're pushing on ahead. So for my blush, I'm using another Crayon Case palette. This is the blush binder. I really like this binder. And I love the colors that they offer. Some of them are fairly similar if you ask me, but I still like it. And the pigment on these guys, oh my god, look at that. Look at that. So to do the lips, again, I'm using a pencil that I got at the local hair store. I don't remember the name either, and I don't have it in front of me, unfortunately, but I use also a dark brown, and I'm just lining my lips. Now I'm going in and just blending that out a little bit just so that the line is not too harsh. I learned this trick also from Diva Classic, so you guys need to go ahead and follow her, or take a course with her. She does offer one-on-one makeup courses, so go ahead and do that. And so on top of the lip liner, I'm just going in with two different types of lip gloss because I just wanted a plain nude lip, just shiny and no actual color. So to set this all together, I am using my NYX setting spray as well as the Morphe setting spray because I was about to have a long night and I didn't want my face to melt. And here's the final look, guys. I love how this look came out. It was a simple look, a simple hairstyle, but she was given everything she was supposed to. So as per usual, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, bye guys.